What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a product that's selling well right now. I will help you to know how to find a product that you can sell using Google Trends, a method that you can use to find a product that you can sell on eBay, or you can use this method to help you find your own product to sell. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's jump right into the video. Let's not waste any more time. So now you need to jump into Google Trends. And if you think what is Google Trends is, Google Trends is the website that allows you to check the recent search date for any keyword that you type in. So the keyword that I'm going to type in right now is DogCo, because it's getting to winter time, which means that it's likely that people are going to be searching for dog coach. So before I go over to eBay, what I want to do is just verify it on Google Trends. Now what I am going to do now is just type in dog coat, right, or whatever keyword you are looking for. So once you have tapped in dog coat, what you need to do is change this section here to whatever country you plan on selling in. I'm gonna change this section to the United Kingdom, right? I'm gonna be selling primarily within the UK, and after that I'm going to change the date range to past 5 years to see if there is any trends. Straight away we can see there is these peaks right here. When these peaks are happening in the air, what I'm going to do is check really. So as we can see straight away, there is these peaks that are happening because it's getting colder between November to December, obviously. So straight away a lot more people are going to be searching for dog coats. I know that dog coats are going to be a product that might sell well. Where dog coats are going to be selling well, I'm going to go over to eBay because I know dog coats are being searched a lot on Google. Let's go over to eBay and double check the date eBay. So let's do that right now. Here we go, and here you need to type in DogCo and you need to scroll through. As you can see, it's basically dog coats, you know. So the purpose for this product is to keep dogs warm in the winter. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pick a product. This one here I will pick it. So I have just clicked on a random product, and as you can see 39 has been sold. This seller, he has got 98% positive feedback, which is extremely high. And as you can see here, this company name is Hexon Ltd, and they are using the eBay listing template. And around this product you have an opportunity to build a store. You need to use the right template and right name, and then be able to gain market share. And to see if it's selling really well or not on eBay, we need here to click on sold. So now we're gonna jump onto Dropshipping and see if it's got a high sales through rate or not, and see if this product looks like it's selling well or not. So what I'm going to do now is jump onto Dropshipping to see if it's selling well or not, like I said. And after that I'm going to go over to Alibaba.com to see if it's even available for us to import. So I have just jumped it over to Dropshipping, and the way to find it is that you log into your eBay account, and after that you need to go to top headings and click on research. And after that, once you click on research, you click on Dropshipping product research. Once you click on research, you click on Dropshipping product research, and you need to know this: you need an eBay selling account to be able to access. If you are paying $20 per month already, and if you not access, you just get an eBay selling account for like a month just to access to Dropshipping. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to search for DogCo to see the sales through. So now I have access to Dropshipping. Now we need to search for DogCo. Now we need to see the sales through. In the next video I will show you exactly what you need to do. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.